Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to add GIFs in Capcut. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before going to the Capcut application, let's download GIFs, and then we will add all of these to the Capcut. So in the search bar, I will look for GIFs. As you can see, I look for Hulk GIFs, and from these options, tap on this image. Now here are all the GIFs of Hulk. From these, you have to choose which you like the most. Just for example, I want to choose this, so I'm tapping on it. After tapping on it, do a right click of mouse on the image and tap on this option Save Image, because I already download this GIF. If I tap on it, as you can see, here is the same GIF. Now, let's find another GIF which we will add in our Capcut. So close this one and look for another GIF and tap on it. I think it's a good one, so again, do a right click of your mouse and tap on this option, Save Images, and tap on the option Save. Now I downloaded 3 GIFs, and let's add these to the Capcut. So open your Capcut application. And now tap on this option Import, if you will not find this option. Then tap on this option Media, then you can find this option. And here are my all GIF, so select all and tap on the option Open. Now all the GIFs has been added to the Capcut. Drag all this to the Capcut editing section. As you can see, all 3 GIF has been added to the Capcut. Let's play and have a look how these GIFs look like. You can also arrange the size of the GIFs by tapping on one of each corner and do like me and place it. Let's play again and have a final look of the video. So as you can see, all 3 GIFs has been added to the Capcut, and it was the fundamental way by which you can add GIFs in Capcut.